Now, upgrading a bathroom or kitchen is well known to be one of the best ways to add value to your home. And one of the simplest bathroom improvements is to replace that leaky shower curtain with a smart new glass shower enclosure. These days there are lots of choices, and we're going to feature the most affordable type, which is a bypass system. Ideal for use in a small bathroom where there's no space for a swinging shower door. Hi, this is John from Artistry in Glass, where we've been installing shower enclosures since 1986. Today explaining all about how to purchase and install a popular brand, the Delta shower enclosure, available from Home Depot. If you like this video, please subscribe by clicking the buttons below. Now, shower enclosures can be expensive when installed by a glass company, because the company typically takes the cost of materials, multiplies this by 2, and then adds labor charges at around $100 an hour. So you're unlikely to get away with less than $1,000 to install a simple shower enclosure. You can save big bucks by following the instructions in this video and doing it yourself. Now, here is a very important pricing update. Massive increases in prices in July 2022 resulted in a 40% increase in flat glass costs by all US manufacturers. So, for example, these sheets of tempered rain glass, which we're going to use, about 24 inches by 68, available from Home Depot with polished edges and holes drilled ready for towel bars, cost $199 right now. The same panels ordered today from a glass shop will cost you a massive $400 per panel. So our advice is, if you need an affordable bypass shower, snap up one of these kits from Home Depot or Lowe's before the big glass price increases kick in. Now, here's a quick note on the newer bypass showers. These have a kind of high-tech look with the roller wheels exposed like this. Now, the benefit, in my opinion, is mainly the appearance rather than the function. Traditional style slides just fine, so you'll be paying about double the price just for the cool trendy look. Now, step 1 in purchasing your shower is to check the width of your shower enclosure. In our small guest bathroom, the width is 47 3/8 inches, which is perfect for a ready-made Delta bypass shower. In our Home Depot, shower enclosures are right here on aisle 14, where you will see there is a very handy 3-step system. Step 1, choose the glass. Step 2, choose the color of your aluminum frame. And step 3, choose your hardware options. Choice 1 is the type of glass. All the options are made from 1/4 inch thick tempered glass. In our Home Depot, the only glass choices were clear and rain glass. Rain is popular for those who like a little privacy while showering. It also has the benefit that water spots don't show up as they do on clear glass. The next choice is the frame color or finish. The available finishes include chrome, bronze, or the one we chose, brushed nickel. Finally, you get to choose the handles or towel bars. We went with the 20-inch towel bars in a brushed nickel finish. Now, our total price for these 3 items was only $327 plus tax at our Tucson Home Depot. Now, this video is for the Home Depot Delta shower brand, but the same method is used pretty much for all types. First, the tools required are a drill with 1/8 inch and 5/16 inch regular drill bits, and masonry bits if you're dealing with tile or marble. To cut the aluminum, you'll need a hacksaw and an optional miter box with a metal file. You'll need a measuring tape, a spirit level, masking tape, a caulking gun with caulking, and 100% silicone is best. Additional tools are a Phillips screwdriver, a small hammer, with safety equipment, goggles and gloves. Before you start the installation, do not be afraid. Tempered glass is very strong, but it will bust into 1,000 pieces if you drop the corner onto a hard floor. so keep the protective triangles on the glass until it's safely installed. When you pick up the shower kit from the shop, carefully examine the edges of the glass for damage. Chips can weaken the glass. Return to the store if you find any defects. Now the installation. Step 1 is to install the wall jambs. Line up the wall jambs so they're centered on the normally 2-inch wide threshold. In our case, the lower corners are square, but some acrylic or fiberglass enclosures will have curved corners like these, and the jambs will have to be rounded by cutting the corners with your hacksaw or grinder. Make sure the wall jambs are plumb. Temporarily take them into place and then drill 1/8-inch pilot holes into the wall through the wall jambs. Remove the wall jambs and drill 5/16-inch diameter holes into the wall through the pilot holes. Reposition the wall jambs and secure them to the wall, attaching bumpers to the top and bottom positions. Now it's time for the important step of cutting the bottom track. Measure the distance between the wall jambs and cut the bottom track using a hacksaw or a miter chop saw like this. We subtract 1/8 of an inch from the type measurement to give some wiggle room. Test the fit and file the edges if necessary. Then insert the rubber gasket and trim it to fit. Run a bead of silicone into the groove on the bottom of the track and place it on the threshold, then press it down firmly. Next step is to cut and fit the header. Important, note that this header will be wider than the bottom track. Check the width, subtract 1/8 of an inch for wiggle room, then carefully cut the aluminum header. We used a miter saw. Insert the T-straps into the top track. Drill a pilot hole into the wall and secure the T-straps. This secures the header to the wall. Next step is attaching the hanger brackets to the glass. Install bushings into the holes in the glass and install the hangers. Secure them manually and do not over-tighten. Hang the inside door on the aluminum header with the textured side facing out. Note that the labels on the glass face into the bathing area. Then install the outside door, also with the uncoated or textured side facing out. Now adjusting the height of the glass. If the glass needs adjustment, remove the doors and reposition the rollers to raise or lower the glass. Next step is installing the divider. Center the divider at the midpoint of the bottom track. Check that the glass door slides smoothly inside the divider, then drill a hole in the bottom track and secure the divider with the self-tapping screws provided. Sealing the aluminum frame. Use silicone caulking to seal the entire length of the wall jambs and bottom track. We use masking tape on the walls and aluminum. Work the caulking into the join, then quickly remove the tape to create a beautiful straight caulk line. Installing the towel bars. Follow the instructions to attach the doorknobs or towel bars. Here is a pro tip. To avoid the towel bars rattling, put a dab of silicone onto each end of each bar before inserting them into the post. Checking the install. Finally, once the glass doors have been attached correctly, you can remove the protective corner panel. Remember that during installation and use, the inner panel should be closest to the shower head. Now remember to act fast, purchase your Delta bypass shower before the inevitable price increases kick in. Take a look at the links below for shower resources, and don't forget to subscribe if you've enjoyed this video. Southern Arizona customers can call Artistry and Glass for free advice. Artistry and Glass, glass experts since 1986.